Let's talk Pak MMA, and more specifically, let's talk about Ahmed Mujtaba, the Wolverine. He knocked a dude out like it's 2016 with a hook that was so mean, and he raised that flag for the white and green. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy has done it once again. 4 years apart from when we could say Ahmed Mujtaba was one of the top guys in Pak MMA, and now, with with definitely the most impressive finish that a Pakistani fighter has ever given us at a major MMA promotion. Now that's a bold thing to say कि Ahmed Mujtaba का knockout पूरे Pak MMA की history में जितने भी fighters लड़े हैं international promotions में, it's one of, or if not the best. Let me tell you why it is. One championship में अगर देखा जाए, close parallels to Ahmed Mujtaba come in Waqar Umar's rear naked choke win, or it comes to Bashir Ahmed beating Shannon Verichai. These were two big moments in one championship for us that made all of Pakistan extremely proud, but this one tops it simply because it was Pakistan versus India on Kashmir Day. Think about that for 1 second. Ahmed Mujtaba knocked out Rahul Raju from India on Kashmir Day. That's pretty crazy, and Mujtaba deserves all of the credit in the world for this knockout because it was absolutely beautiful. His chin was tucked, he made sure his opponent missed, and he landed in under a minute. Ahmed Mujtaba made history for Pakistan. ये knockout spectacular था. पूरी दुनिया ने देखा, पूरे पाकिस्तान ने देखा. Many big celebrities and names like Wasim Akram and Shoaib Akhtar have come out in support for the Wolverine right before the fight. But I have to ask all of us a very important thing. What's next? हमें ये दिमाग में रखने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. And I don't mean to ask what's next for Ahmed Mujtaba. I don't mean to ask what's next for Rahul Raju. I mean what is next for Pak MMA. ऐसा knockout हमें रोज़ नहीं मिलता. Like I said, it's the best one that we've ever seen a fighter give us from Pak MMA in any international promotion. But इसके आगे हमें क्या करने की ज़रूरत है? Simply put, we need to keep supporting Pak MMA and keep supporting knockouts and finishes and performances like this, no matter who gives it to us. And it doesn't even have to be a knockout. Knockouts are amazing, but a win is a win. Next time a guy goes and wins a decision, a submission, anything at all, we need to support guys exactly like this, and we need to make sure we keep remembering. Ahmed Mujtaba made us remember. Ahmed Mujtaba gave us a reminder so that we don't forget who the Wolverine is. It's like 2016 again. It's two-belt Mujtaba, right? He's on top of his game. He wore that flag like a muffler. That was pretty innovative. And he served us a reminder. We need to make sure we keep giving people around us reminders of what Pak MMA is, of who these fighters are, of why they're relevant, and what they have done and what they are capable of doing. That, I think, is a very important point from here. Wherever Mujtaba goes from here, it is amazing because he is going to be a top guy. Whatever his next fight is, it will be only more interesting. We are at a very good point for Pak MMA. मैं आप लोगों को ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ. Right now, thanks to Mujtaba's knockout, we've had two of the biggest wins, arguably, in two of the biggest promotions the two biggest promotions Pakistani fighters have ever fought in. Brave CF, Mehmosh Raza beat Callum Murray, the guy who came off of a win in Bellator, 10th Planet Black Belt, Taekwondo World Champion, beat him. Ahmed Mujtaba in one championship against India's Rahul Raju knocks him out in the first round. This is incredible. We have two of the biggest wins back to back in Pak MMA history. We have to remind people around us that Pak MMA is at the top of its game, which it is. We have to remind ourselves that Mehmosh and Mujtaba and Najam and all of these guys, Zia Mashwani, all of the guys who are still fighting and who are still around, these are guys who really need our support and really need to be pushed the same way Mujtaba is being pushed right now. Congrats to Mujtaba, commiserations to Rahul Raju, and nonetheless though, for Pak MMA, this is a very good day. And I hope you guys keep enjoying the hostilities. Take it easy.